What's up mga kuya? Welcome back to the channel. So today I have with me is the Machenike K500 mechanical keyboard. So this is a 90% mechanical keyboard, a recently released keyboard from Machenike. So of course, much appreciated to Machenike for sending this for a review. Very nice. And to those of you who aren't familiar with a 90% mechanical keyboard, basically it's like this. Pretty much the same layout as with my Royal Clutch RK100. Basically, it's a significantly more compact, full-size mechanical keyboard without getting rid of the numpad. And stay tuned as I actually have a discount voucher. Special thanks to Machenike for that. And unfortunately, this isn't a wireless mechanical keyboard, but considering what it's offering, it's still a great value. Currently, right now at Lazada for 2,000 pesos. So yeah, let's go ahead and unbox this. Okay, so here we have the keyboard itself, and in the box, we actually do have a few extra red switches, a switch puller, and a keycap remover. If I didn't mention it already, this is a hot swappable keyboard. And one more thing is the Type-C to Type-A cable. Nice looking cable with an L shape end for the Type-C plug. And here we have the keyboard itself. It's very nice actually, with mainly a white body with most of the keycaps being in white, some in gray, and two keycaps, the spacebar and escape key in this, like, I guess you could say a light forest green, I'm not so sure. On top of the keyboard we do have Machenike As Cool As You Are K500 printed here, and at the bottom we do have a textured pattern here with kickstands and two rubber feet here. Also at the front of the keyboard we do have Machenike K500 mechanical keyboard here with this logo. And overall I like the aesthetics and colorway of this K500, although I do believe that this does have a black color variant, which I think isn't available in their shop right now. And pretty much what you need to know about the K500 is, of course, again, this is a 90% mechanical keyboard with PBT keycaps, RGB backlighting, and hot swappable mechanical switches. And right now we're gonna do a quick sound test with the microphone just over here. So what you heard right now are the red variants of the K500. You can also buy this in a brown switch variant and a blue switch variant. And the specific mechanical switches that Machenike use are the Huano switches. So yeah. And I'm just gonna plug this in. And it looks pretty nice so far. So we do have two red LEDs for the indicator for the numpad and the caps lock. And so far sounds and feels pretty nice, like no rattle whatsoever, just feels solid. And here is a quick size comparison to my Royal Clutch RK100, comparing it to the K500, and the K500 is just half an inch shorter in length compared to the RK100. Adjusting the brightness. Different colors and different effects. And of course I just want a solid color option. Pretty nice. And additionally, the Machenike K500 does have a software that you can download, which will be in the description of this video, of course, to change the different lighting effects, brightness, the speed of the effects, and it even has a macro editor, so very nice. And yeah, pretty great keyboard from Machenike. I can easily recommend this to anyone. I guess the only thing that I don't like about it, which is nitpicking basically at my part, is that it's not wireless. But of course, expect that for the price. For 2,000 pesos, this is already a great value. And of course, if you guys want to buy this, then I'll leave the links in the description. If you use that link, you actually get a 300 peso discount if you buy the Machenike K500. Of course, special thanks to Machenike for that and for sending their K500 to me for a review. Of course, leaving a like is the easiest way to support the channel. Consider subscribing if you like my content, and turn on notifications for all so you'll be updated on my latest videos. As always, stay safe mga kuya. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.
Flip a bag, now I'm serving a Tesla. Going back, shawty with me, I stepped up. GTA for the ops, ain't no less stuff. Shawty born to be my angel. in the stool, gotta check the fan.